Now you can see the screen. This is
Teacher,
our
now
first part.
record.
Okay, this is the first part and this is the second part. Question number 1. Divide into 6 boxes. Then after, in the box, you should write the garden tools name. Teacher will write all the names. First one hoe, second one eagle broom, third one shovel, and fourth one rake, fifth one garden fork, and last one watering, not class. Wait, children, not watering class. I will write the correct word. What is the correct word, children? Who know the correct word?
Can.
No, watering
Watering can.
can is the correct word. Okay, watering can. Now I will give 5 minutes, only 5 minutes. Okay, try to draw the pictures now, but only 5 minutes. Sasindhu, off your mic. Who know? How mean? Who know the Sinhala meaning? Tell me. Anyone? Do you know the Sinhala meaning?
Foster.
Ho mean? No, broom is the cause. Okay, how mean? Krishita, do you know?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, yes. Okay. Then equal broom mean, what is equal broom?
Idala.
Yes, that's correct. Sweep the garden from use the equal broom. You can sweep the garden nicely. Then you know. How mean udella. Now you can, if you don't know this word, right now in Sinhala. How mean udella. Equal broom. Idella. What is shovel? Shovel mean, please off your camera, mic, children. Shovel mean, who know?
Savala.
Shovel, yes, you are correct. Shovel means shovel. What Sanula? Yes, draw in your pencil, yes. You can't draw with your pen. You can draw, use the pencil and draw these pictures. Then what is the Sinhala meaning of rake? Who know the Sinhala meaning?
Rake.
Yes, rake mean rake. Children, you can draw only, no time to color. Then what is the meaning? Garden fork.
Mullu.
Yes. Mihara, you are very good. You are new to the class, but you know the words. Garden fork mean? What's the, can you tell me again, Mihara? Sinhala word?
Mullu.
Yes. Then what is the last one? Watering can. Who's have watering can?
Malbaldi.
Yes. Vatura. Vatura damana. Yes, okay. Not Malbad Baldia. Is that Sinhala word is Malbadya? You also don't know what's the correct word. But do you have that watering can? Who's have? Will it?
I have.
Yes, show to others. Yes. Can you go and bring to it? Can you show to others? Yes, show. Wait, Sanula, I can't see your video. Wait. Still, I can't. Wait. I have.
Teacher,
Sanula,
Sanula off his video.
yes, on your camera, Sanula. I can't see you. Now, okay, here says Sanula's watering can. You are correct. That is watering can, okay? Look at that and draw. On it, you can write. In this class,
Yes, teacher.
okay. Then children, can you understand about the question 1? All, can you understand? Now shall I go to question 2? Shall I go?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Now I will write question number 2. Netum, take photos and write later. Now others also write question number 2. Netum, in this class, you should every day want to put the class date and question number. Okay. Now teacher will write question number 2. Very easy part. I will teach this in my spoken class. They can do this work easily. Okay. Match these animals to their baby animals. Can you remember?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we'll see. Match
Yes, teacher.
these animals to their baby animals. That is the question.
Tends to group also
Yes,
photo.
yes. We did this work in our spoken class. Okay. Now I will write. You also take 2 sides and write. In 1 page enough. Now first teacher will write in left side. Use 2 colors, children. First one part I will write A. A is my first part. Green color and use write A. And this is my B part. Left side corner and right side corner you also want to take to write this work. A and B parts. Okay. Now teacher will write first A part.
Want 2 pages?
No need to take 2 pages. 1 page enough. Now first you also write with me. Number 1 in A part. First one, cat. I will write the animals' names. Cat. Second one, write with me. Dog. Third one, rabbit. Fourth one, off your mics. Adesh. Cow. Fifth one. Always you have to off your mic, children. Otherwise it will be I off, Adesh. Sheep. It will be disturbed to the class. Sheep. And number 6, owl. I will give 10 animals, children. 7th, butterfly. Try to do this work without seeing the spoken class notebook, okay? Try to do without seeing the spoken class notebook. Butterfly. And number 8, frog. Number 9, pig. And last one, soon, right, children? Now we have only 10 minutes more. Last one, duck. These are the 10 animals. Now teacher will write their baby animals, but not in order. You should select and match now, but use 10 colors. Okay. If you don't have colors mean color pencils. If you don't have now, never mind. Use your pencil and match it now. Okay. A part want to write in blue color. B part want to write in black color. Use 2 colors and write, children. First one teacher will write duckling. Second one, piglet. If you don't know any words, ask from teacher. I will tell. Tadpole. Caterpillar. Kitten. Puppy. Bunny. Calf. Lamb. And last one, owlet. These are their babies in B part, animals in A part. Now you have to select and match. Can you match, children? If you can't, never mind. දන්න ටික විතරක් හරි match කරන්න, okay? Never mind. Today you can learn about this work. This is my second question. Question number 2. Today I will try to give 6 questions. For a week, I will give 10 questions. Okay, Netum, to you I'm telling. Don't absent. Every day try to come to the class.
Teacher,
Yes,
මම B part එකට නිල් පාට ගත්තා.
yes, never mind. You take A part to black color. Did you take for black?
Yes, teacher.
Then okay, no problem. Okay, as you wish, you can use.
I finished.
Okay, did you match, Sanula?
Yes.
Well done. But don't tell the answers. Others also wait. They will still writing. Some are still writing. Some are matching. Very nice. Do you like to write these questions? Do you like? Anita, are you? Wait, I will introduce to you. What is duckling? Who is duckling? Sanula, please tell me. What is the Sinhala meaning? Duckling mean?
තාරාවගේ පැටිය.
Yes, Sarapatiya, duckling. Then who is piglet? Who know about piglet?
ඌරගේ පැටිය. teacher, ඌරගේ පැටිය.
Yes, pig's baby. Duckling is duck's baby. Who is tadpole? Do you like?
No.
Anita, who is
ගෙම්බ.
tadpole? Not tadpole.
ගෙම්බගේ පැටිය.
Yes. What is the Sinhala meaning? ගෙම්බගේ පැටියට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? Is gediya. Okay? Tadpole. Yes. Tadpole mean is gediya. Then who is caterpillar? Caterpillar means
Butterfly. Butterflies.
baby. Butterfly's baby. Okay? Caterpillar. Who is kitten? Kitten. Kitten means whose kitten's mother?
පැටිය.
Whose petiya? Yes. Kitten's mother is cat. Cat's baby is kitten. Okay? Like that. Teacher can ask him the other side also. Apur, can you understand, Apur? If you have any questions, ask from teacher. Prashna tiyanam sadde nathu inne pa ahanna. Okay. Then puppy mean. Who's puppy?
බලු පැටිය.
Kalupetiya. Dog's baby. Okay. And who is bunny?
හා පැටිය.
Rabbit's baby. Yes, Mihara. Very good. Today is your first day, but never mind. You are very good today. Okay. Calf mean. Whose baby?
හරක් පැටිය. හරක් පැටිය. වහු පැටිය.
Yes, yes. Harakpetiya. Vasupetiya. Okay. But correct word Vasupetiya. Okay. Adesh, not Harakpetiya. Okay. Then lamb mean. Who is lamb?
බැටළුවා. බැටළුවා.
Batalua. Then Batalua mean sheep. English word is sheep. I asked about lamb. Who is lamb? Batalu patiya. Okay, lamb mean Batalu patiya. Sheep's baby. And last one, owlet. Who is it?
බකමූණු පැටිය.
Yes, owl's baby. Takamunu patiya, yes. Now you can do this work nicely. Netum, please on your camera. I can't see your face, Netum. Can you on your camera? Now okay, Netum. Right. You also do this work. You are in my spoken class. You can do this work easily. Tell me, children, I want to write your names, okay? Some children I can't see. How many in our class? Participant 10. Okay.
10.
Yes.
Teacher 10. Ninne teacher thick.
Yes. Then 9 children. Sanula, tell your names, please. Sanula, Sasindu, Shita.
Which I tell
Yes, tell Sanula. Please tell.
Sanula, Saswidu, Adesh, Apur,
Then,
Netum,
yes.
Linumi,
And
Mitara,
Mihara.
Nihara, Onet,
Onita, not Onit. Onita, only.
S. Krishit.
Yes. Then 9 children. Okay. Thank you, Sanula. Mihara, is that your name? Correct? Mihara Fernando. Okay. Then children finish this question number 2. Onita, did you finish this question?
I'm matching.
Yes, you can match.
Teacher.
Yes, match. I will give time. Onita, do you like to this class? Do you like, Onita? Do you like to write these questions?
Yes, teacher.
Then okay. Every day try to join to the class, okay? Only 3 months you can come. After you finish, tell me, then I can write the other question. What is the question number?
Teacher, I'm finished.
Yes, Sonita. But some are still writing. Netum still writing. Apur, finish? Your work is over, Apur?
Yes, teacher.
Then okay. Linumi, still writing?
Teacher, rabbit babies.
Bunny. Rabbits, babies, bunny, okay? And cow's baby, calf. Sheep's baby, lamb. Owl's baby, owlet. Okay, Krishita. She is in grade K. You also want to write. Use the blue color or black color. Always use 2 colors. Okay, always use 2 colors to write. Questions write in black color or blue color. The other parts you can write in another color. Okay, only black and blue you can use to the class. A part. Now teacher will write A part. Today is, teacher will put ... Mean blank. Okay, you also keep a line, draw a line to write the day. Okay, you should want to write the correct day. I will put only dots. Okay, B part. Tomorrow is ... You also put, or you can draw a line. Okay, as you wish, you can do. C part.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, today කියලා තියෙන තැනට මේ අද දවසට දාන්නේ.
Yes, we'll see. Other davase, okay. Day after, don't write now. Answers don't write now. First write the question. Day after tomorrow is... Like this, you also write the question first. ... Okay. Then next part, D. Day before yesterday is... Onita, we can hear. Day before yesterday.
Teacher, ABC part want to write
Yes, right.
in
Okay, Adesh. Then you can understand A, B, C, D, and E. Wait, children. Today, tomorrow, and after want to write. Sorry, C part want to write yesterday. I forgot to write that. Can you write now? For third, no place.
after tomorrow කියන එකේ ඒක ලියවන ටීචර්.
Then I will write later. That's my mistake. Okay. Sorry, Okay. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, day before yesterday. Then after teacher will write yesterday. I forgot to write in. Yesterday is dot. Okay. But the correct order is today, tomorrow, yesterday, day after tomorrow, day before yesterday. That's the correct order, but never mind. You can write this like this. First, you should want to write this. Now, teacher will write the answers. All the answers in one box.
teacher
Yes.
have two C's.
Have. Yes, you write E. Okay. Write E for yesterday. That's. I will cut and write E. You can write E. Okay. You also no need to cut. Write E for here. Now teacher will write all the answers, all the days for a week. How many days?
ඒක ලියන්න ඕනද?
Yes, you also want to write. Tell me, how many days? What are the days? Can you tell me, Sanula? Sunday,
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Saturday, no, Saturday. Okay, that.
ටීචර්
Yes, THURSDAY. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday missing. Now, okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, you also want to write these dates. Last Saturday. How many days, children, have for a 1 week?
7 days.
There are 7 days for a week. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. Now, you also want to write these 7 days. And after, draw the box. Now, children, what to do? You have to write the correct day. Select and write. Today's, write the day. I don't know. I'm not telling the answer. Tomorrow mean heter. Today mean other. Tomorrow is select and write the correct day. Yesterday mean EA. If you want, write now. Sinhala meanings. Day after tomorrow mean hetata pasudine. Mukadda.
හෙටට පසු දිනේ.
Yes, day after tomorrow mean.
Pereda.
Huh? No.
අනිද්දා කියන එක නේද ඒකෙන් කියන්නේ?
Yes. හෙටට පසුදිනය mean අනිද්දා. And day before yesterday mean ඊයට පෙර දිනය. What Onita?
Pereda.
නේ කමන්නේ ඉතින්. Okay, day before yesterday mean පෙරේද. Now I told all the Sinhala meanings. You can do now. Draw the box after. You also always use 2 colors, children. Otherwise, it will be not good. Like teacher, you also use 2 colors. This is my third question. Now write. Teacher will tell all the words. Today mean other. Tomorrow mean heter. Netum now ask. Listen carefully. I will tell all the words. Day after tomorrow mean anidda. Day before yesterday mean Pereida and yesterday mean EA. Okay, these 5 words you should want to learn. Now, shall we write 4th question? Can you write
Okay,
that? Can you
madam.
write that? Okay.
I like.
Yes, then write. Okay. Now we are writing. Write the question number, please. What is the question number we are writing now?
Wow.
Yes.
Fourth question.
Yes, 4th question. Now we are writing. Rearrange the sentences. Do you like to do this work?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Rearrange the sentences. These teacher will give 5 sentences, but they are not in order. You should put in order and write later. Okay. Teacher dena වාක්‍ය order එකට නෙමෙයි තියෙන්නේ. You should want to rearrange. Okay. We'll see. Rearrange the sentences is the question. Now teacher will write A part. Use another color, blue color. You also write A dot. First one. No need to write capital letters. All the lines, letters you can write here. Simple. The slash, a slash. Keep spaces and write like this, children. එක ගොඩේ ලියන්න නැතුව මේ විදිහට වෙන වෙනම ලියන්න. Elephant space slash. Always space and write. Okay, keep one space and write. Elephant space slash has space slash. Slash mean elevator. Trunk. This is my first sentence. Is that a sentence? Me වාක්‍යයක් නෙමෙයිනේ. That is not a sentence.
No.
Yes.
Word.
You should rearrange.
Teacher, අපිට තියෙන්නේ ටිකට වල වාක්‍යයක් හදන්න.
අන්න හරි. Then after, children, draw the line. Draw the blanks. Then you can, on the line, you should write the correct sentence. But first letter should be capital and end of the sentence, you have to put the full stop. That's the rule. You should write, start from the first letter, should be capital, end of the sentence, please put the stop, full stop. Teacher didn't do this works. Teacher තියන්නේ නැහැ. You should want to put. Okay, now our teacher will write B part. On the line, you should write the answer. Can you understand, children?
What color won't take?
Huh?
What color won't take?
Blue. No, black. Answer you can write in black color. Okay.
Okay.
Beak mean, do you know beak? Who's have beak? Has. Parrot. The. That is the second sentence. Then after again, I will draw the line. On the line, you should write the correct sentence in black color. And after end of the sentence, please put the full stop. Now teacher will write C part. Fish. The. Keep spaces and write, children. Has fins. 2. If you don't know any words, ask from teacher. Now teacher will write D part. Only 5 sentences teacher will give. Dog. The. Has. Tail. Last one. Can you hear some voice? Noise? Not voice. Oh, no, okay. Horns, that's teacher's one message. Horns slash cow slash the slash has slash two. These are the 5 sentences. First you write, then after I will give enough time to make it, rearrange it, then later we can discuss about these sentences. Teacher will write all the answers, don't worry. On the line, you should write the correct answer and please put the full stop. First letter should be capital. Now write. This is my 4th question. What is beak?
The parrot has a beak. Hotter.
Hotter, yes. The parrot has a beak. That is the answer, children.
Okay.
What, Sanula? Now can you tell me the 3rd sentence, but don't tell Sanula and Kushita. Wait, I want to ask from others. Nihara, can you tell me the 3rd sentence?
The fish has 2 fins.
Yes, you are correct. The fish has 2 fins. Next one want to say? Onita. Can you tell me, Onita? 4th sentence. Onita, are you there?
Current teacher.
Then okay. Onita, are you there? No. Apur, can you tell me the 4th sentence? Apur.
The dog has a tail.
Yes. The dog.
Me.
What, Onita? Did you write?
The dog has the tail.
Yes, the dog has a tail. Tail mean? Tail mean? What is the singular meaning? Tail, yes. Not tail. Tail. What is the singular meaning, Anita?
Dog the natta.
Natta? Is that natta? No. That is not natta. Who know the correct? Adesh, tell me. Tail mean? Is that natta?
Maligaya.
Yes. Anita telling natta. Okay. And fins mean? Who know fins? Fins mean? What is the single meaning? Mihara.
Varal.
Varal. Okay. If you want right now. F-I-N-S fins mean varal. And beak? Beak mean?
Hotter.
Hotter. Yeah. And trunk mean? Trunk.
Hondavala.
Yes.
Hondavala.
And shall we write now last one? Adesh, tell me last one.
Teacher, Mama, then
Okay, Adesh, you write. Tell me. Wait, I want to ask from Sasrindu. Can you tell me? Sasrindu, still writing?
Teacher, right now.
Okay.
Writing.
Then Natum, can you tell me last one?
What teacher?
Last one, last sentence. Did you make it? Did you write the correct answer?
No teacher.
Okay. Then who can tell me the last one? Who wrote the last sentence?
The cow has 2 horns.
Yes, very good, Mihara. The cow has 2 horns. Horns mean yes, the cow has 2 horns. Okay, these are the answers, children. Teacher wrote all the answers. If you have any questions, ask from teacher.
5.
Write the question number 5. Match to the correct opposite. Opposite mean words. Opposite words mean, who know opposite words? What is the Sinhala meaning? Match to the correct opposite words. Viruddha pada, okay? Opposite word. Yes. You are correct, Sanula. Small words I will write, you know all the meanings. Big. 10 words I will write. Tall. Fat. Fast. New. Hot. Soft. Present. Happy. Clever. These are the words in A part. Small words. If you don't know any words, ask from teacher. I will tell all the Sinhala meanings. Now teacher will write B part, but in black color. You also use the other color. Weak. Sad. Fast. Hard. Small. Short. Thin. Slow. Old. Cold. These are the words. Now you should want to match. First write, later you can match. If you have, you can use color pencils. If you don't have, never mind. Use your pencil and color. This is my question number 5.
Write all.